The sounds of the suburbs. My daughter told me this morning, the birds out here are so loud. I'm like, no, that's the lack of constant traffic, sirens, and people everywhere. Listen to that buzz. Something around here is buzzing. It's to my left. It stopped. Oh, there it is. What y'all talking about? I know one thing. They better not touch the rail or the porch, 'cause Killer is gonna deal with them. Right, Killer? Go on, Chip. They don't never come out in their yard. Look at that green grass. It's terrible. Look at my yard. Ugh. It's lived in, that's for sure. I think I want to put a patio right here. Yep. I want to put a patio right around that tree. Elevated on one side, because it's kind of on a slant right now. I want a new shed on a concrete pad. Ooh, I can make it like a sound stage. If I put a nice concrete pad right there with a new shed and then a path to the patio area, it'll make sense right there. And I can have, walking and no mud tracking in that area. And over here, I could just keep that current outline and leave those outer edges for something. I don't know. Just dog area. I don't know how. Maybe I could put sand over there or something. And that's a lot of money for nothing. I could just leave it naked. I don't know. Look at that. Grass got a little drink of water now. It's 2 inches taller than it was. Ooh, child. I need some money. I got ideas. Ooh, I could put some pretty bushes along that fence line right there. Not trees. What happened there was a big fat tree on the other side of the fence with roots just everywhere. We couldn't even cut through them. Probably would have needed a chainsaw. But they took the tree down, so now it's dead. And now my boards look stupid for no reason. But if I could put some bushes along that fence right there, that would drink up some of the excess water that lands there, and the grass wouldn't be so out of proportion. The bushes would drink the water. Ideas. Hey birds, what y'all doing?